Hey guys, it's Mark Mathis, and today I'm going to be going through a quick walkthrough of my recent Salesforce Admin portfolio project. And this is a lead assignment automation that I built using Flow. So this project simulates a real business process where incoming leads are automatically routed to the correct sales rep based on geographic region. So basically, when a record is created, a lead, it's automatically evaluated based on its region field that's populated. And depending on what that is, it's automatically routed to the correct sales rep. So what this means is it's going to save you time and money being able to route a person directly to the person that can serve them the best. And you can create a lot of different automations using flows so that you can evaluate a number of different criteria based on the user record. So it could be based on product line. So you could direct them directly to a sales rep in that particular product line that could answer their questions, or a variety of different scenarios. So it's a great way to automate back-end processes that add a lot of value and save a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is just walk you through the different parts of this flow. So you can see this one's called the project lead owner assignment flow, and it looks like this. So basically it's a record triggered flow. And then whenever a lead is generated, we check the region. And so there's three different outcomes. One is an east region, one is west, and one is the default outcome. So right here you can see we evaluate to see if their region is east. If it is, then we assign it to one particular sales rep. If it's west, we assign them to another one. And then if it's neither of those, or if it's blank, we assign a default outcome, as you'll see right here. So that is the flow, and I'll go through and show you the different steps that I did to create this. So first of all, what we needed to do was go into the object manager on the lead object and create a new field that was a pick list called region. And so that will allow us to have the pre-populated list of values that someone either externally or internally can choose to assign a region to that particular user. And so you can see right here, I created this under the lead object, and down here the values are east, west, central. Okay, so that was step number one. Step number two was to go in and actually create the flow itself. And so I went in here to the flow and went through and created all this again. Record triggered flow. It evaluates based on the region, and then it assigns east to east, west to west, and everyone else are blanks. It assigns to the default owner right there. Okay, and then the assignment elements are actually to the owner ID for a specific user ID. So for example, right here, this value is the owner ID of the sales rep that is in charge of the east region. And then right here in west, this is the owner ID of the sales rep for the west region. And then this one right here is the owner ID for whoever's going to be handling the central division or everybody else. And so those are three different people. And you'll see those back here in the leads view list. So I've created these different people, and what I want to go through is test this automation and show it in action. So I'll go through and I'll create a new lead, and let's call this one Bob Jones, and we'll just call this Bob's Car Shop. And then all we have to do is just create or select a region right here. This is that pick list that we chose. This one we'll do west, okay? And then we'll go save. And so if we go back to the lead list, I'll actually open right here, and you can see that Alice West is the lead owner, and she is over the west region. So you can see it automatically went through when that record was created and automatically assigned it to Alice. And so I'll do another one. Let's say, go back here, new lead. We'll call this one Janie Smith, and then we'll send this one to, let's do this one to Central. Okay, we'll do save, and then we'll go in and we'll look at the details, And you can see security user is actually the catch-all right here for this one. So you can see that it actually did the correct lead owners based on the region that they selected. And so the business value of this is this automation saves a lot of time and reduces human error. It ensures that leads are instantly routed to the right person, improves response times and conversion rates. Especially, this is really valuable in high volume lead environments where otherwise they'd just be going into a queue and being manually assigned by either someone on the team or multiple people. And so hopefully that was helpful, and I'd love to help you if you have any needs in your organization. Again, thanks for watching. This project kind of shows the ability to use Flow Builder, create custom fields, and build logic that supports scalable business processes in Salesforce, which is the best CRM tool that's out there. So if you have any questions or comments or just like to connect, feel free to reach out with the information that's below this video. And I appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you soon.